You'll notice on a lot of, well, pretty much all my plantings, I do not use grow guards and very few stakes. The reason I don't use grow guards and stakes as a whole is because they come at a cost, and they can be almost as much as what a plant is. So I'd rather double or triple my amount of plants that I plant and suffer and loss than I would having a whole lot of grow guards around. And if you see, have a look around me now, we've done relief spraying, and that works really effectively. You've just got to be cautious how you relief spray, and choose the right time in the day. We also would put a rabbit propellant on it for a couple of seasons periodically, and that helps dramatically as well. And I find we're better off having more plants than we are having massive amount of grow guards and stakes. We will stake some of the fragile kofi or something like that off and on, but not to a large extent.